In the previous video, we implemented display of validation error message when the form is submitted without data. After submission of form without data, the validation error message is displayed, but the text element is not having a red outline. In this video, we will make the red outline to be displayed in the input text element when the form is submitted with validation errors. I am maximizing the browser window. Then opening the developer tools in the Elements tab, I am expanding body, then app-root. In the form tag class attribute, we can see ng-touched, ng-pristine, ng-invalid, and ng-submitted. The inclusion of these classes is part of the feature called as control status CSS classes. If you are new to control status CSS classes, check out the earlier videos under template driven form section having the video titled as control status CSS classes. Since the form is already submitted, we can see ng-submitted included in the class attribute of the form tag. Similarly, let us see if ng-submitted is included in the input text element. I am expanding the form tag and then the second div tag. In the input text element, the ng-submitted class is not included, which makes it impossible to implement styling based on control status CSS classes. As we cannot implement this using control status CSS classes, we have to implement this using ng-class directive. Let me demonstrate how this can be implemented. I am closing developer tools and normalizing the browser window. In app.component.html, after the pattern attribute of the text element, I am including a new line. Here I am including the ng-class directive with square brackets. As value of ng-class attribute, I am going to include a boolean expression signupform.submitted and namefield.invalid. Here, signupform is the template reference variable defined in the form tag and namefield refers to the template reference variable of the input text element. After the boolean expression, I am including question mark followed by field-errors within single quotes, then including colon followed by empty string. Let me explain this expression. If the form is submitted and if the name field is invalid, then field-error class will be part of the class attribute, else empty string will be included. We need to include field-error class with red outline in app.component.css. We already have red outline defined using the control status CSS classes and we can reuse this. I am including .field-error followed by comma before the existing selectors so that red outline gets included if an element contains the field-error class. After these changes, I am saving both the files. After the page reload, I am directly clicking on the submit button without entering any data in the name input text element. We can see the validation error message displayed and the red outline for the name text field. Hope this helps to understand how to implement styling for form element when the form element is submitted and has validation errors. Let me summarize the changes to be implemented. In app.component.html, include the ng-class attribute with this boolean expression. In app.component.css, include .field-error followed by comma in the existing red outline style definition. Save and check if the red outline is displayed when the form is submitted without entering data.